Welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the realm of self-confidence and discovering 10 powerful tips that will transform your life. If you're ready to unlock your full potential and radiate self-assurance, then you're in the right place. Let's get started. Number 1, it all begins with self-acceptance. Embrace your strengths, weaknesses, and quirks. Remember, no one is perfect. Celebrate your individuality and focus on your unique qualities. Self-acceptance is the foundation for building unshakable confidence. Moving on to tip number 2, positive affirmations. Repeat powerful statements like, I am capable, I am worthy, and I deserve success. By affirming your worth daily, you'll reprogram your mind for confidence and success. Tip 3 is set achievable goals. Start small, accomplish them, and gradually raise the bar. Each success will boost your confidence, propelling you towards bigger achievements. Remember, progress, not perfection, is the key. Next up, tip number 4, dress for success. Wear clothes that make you feel confident and comfortable. Dressing well not only enhances your outer appearance, but also uplifts your inner spirit. Confidence starts with how you present yourself. Tip number 5, self-care is crucial. Prioritize your mental and physical well-being. Engage in activities that rejuvenate you, whether it's exercising, meditating, or pursuing hobbies. Taking care of yourself nourishes confidence from within. On to tip number 6, surround yourself with positivity. Choose to spend time with people who uplift and support you. Avoid toxic relationships that drain your energy. Positivity is contagious, and a positive environment breeds confidence. Tip number 7, it's time to step out of your comfort zone. Growth happens when we push our boundaries. Challenge yourself to try new things, take risks, and embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Every step forward boosts your confidence. Moving on to tip number 8, develop new skills. Acquiring knowledge and mastering new talents builds confidence like nothing else. Identify areas you'd like to improve and dedicate time to learn and grow. Remember, you're capable of amazing things. Tip number 9, celebrate your achievements. Big or small, every success deserves recognition. Acknowledge your accomplishments, reward yourself, and reflect on how far you've come. This positivity fuels your self-confidence and motivates you to reach higher. Lastly, tip number 10, the age-old advice. Fake it till you make it. Even if you don't feel confident initially, act as if you do. Stand tall, maintain eye contact, and speak with conviction. Over time, your actions will shape your mindset and true confidence will emerge. And there you have it, folks. 10 powerful tips to boost your self-confidence and transform your life. Remember, building confidence is a journey, so be patient and kind to yourself along the way. Believe in yourself because you are capable of greatness. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay confident and keep shining.